get Tiger's take on this matter. 10 News reporter Melissa Masiha live at Torrey Pines, where she spoke with Tiger this morning. Melissa?
Yeah, good morning, Bill. Well, Tiger Woods grew up just north of here in Orange County, city of Cypress to be exact. I asked him about those comments from his competitor. Here's what the now Florida resident had to say.
Well, I moved out of here, back in '96, for that reason, and it's I enjoy Florida, but as also I understand what he was, I think, trying to say, but I think he'll probably explain it better than in a little bit more detail.
Florida is an income tax-free state. Many PGA golfers live there. Now today, Woods was talking taxes, but of course focused on golf. He even took some time out to sign autographs here at Torrey Pines. He is a 6-time champ of the Farmers Insurance Open. He missed it last year, but this year, of course, he is back. We caught up with him practicing on the putting green shortly before his press conference an hour and a half ago. He says he knows this course, but there are some changes this year.
It's nice to be back. It's nice to get out there and play a course that I know. And obviously it's different than what I remember it, because it's normally not this dry, not normally this quick. So we get this every now and again with the Santa Ana's blowing and a little dry, but normally it's not like this.
And back out here live, you see other golfers here practicing at Torrey Pines. Now, Woods has made more than $100 million throughout his career on the PGA Tour. Here at Torrey Pines, he has won 7 times, including 6 at the Farmers Insurance Open and 1 at the U.S. Open back in 2008. Reporting live in Torrey Pines, I'm Melissa Masiha. Now back to you.